is the third death anniversary of the great patriot, great visionary leader, great statesman, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I have the good fortune of working under his leadership and guidance for more than 40 years. The great leader who has raised the status of the country in the entire world by having that atomic test at Pokhran. And at that time, some big countries, big powers of the world were accusing India that India is a weak country. And it is Atal Bihari Vajpayee who raised its status and declared before the entire world that India is not a weak nation. On May 11, 1997, there was the first test of our first atomic test at Pokhran. At that time, there is a ban that no country of the world can have any atomic test. But without caring for the opinion and threat of the big power, made the atomic test on 11th May. All the big powers of the world pounced upon him and told him, Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, you cannot have any atomic test. Atal Bihari Vajpayee did not say anything. After 2013, had the second atomic test. The entire world was surprised. And after that test, boldly announced that India has now become an atomic power of the world. We will not use this atom power of ours for the aggression of any country. But no country of the world will venture to attack India now. And at that time, you know that there is economic sanction. All these big powers made economic sanction. Atal Bihari Vajpayee did not care for it. He said, I don't bother for this economic sanction of the world. I proudly stand on my own soil. We will build our nation with our own strength. Fortunately, the NRI of America, they said, the Prime Minister, great Prime Minister, the honor you have given to the country and to us cannot be forgotten. These Americans, when we were talking, Indians were talking, they said the Indians, they were neglecting us. But after this atomic explosion, they are now talking, India has now become a big power, an atomic power. So, we are coming forward to help India. And that in the first phase, so far as I remember, they had given $2 billion to India for its development. So he is the Prime Minister and a person who makes lakhs of people spellbound in his speech. I think not only in India, he was the greatest orator of the world then. And all these development works, as you know, to connect all the big cities of the country by 4-laner and 6-laner and 8-laner roads. That was his dream project, which was not only his dream, it was implemented. The big cities had been connected, Swarna Chaturbhuj Yojana. This is Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana for connecting all the villages by good roads was his project. And he had also said at that time that the people in the rural area should not feel that the urban people are in a better position. They are getting better facilities. And therefore, not only Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, pipe water should be supplied to all the villages. That had also been started. Sanitation for all these welfare measures have been taken by him. And he is that great leader. And we are unfortunate that we lost him at a time when the country was marching ahead in the matter of progress, and we pay our great tribute to this great leader on his third death anniversary. Thank you all. Bande Mataram.